Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your control settings on the Street Fighter 6 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Street Fighter 6 game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into your homepage. From here, if you wish to change your control settings, then before starting your match, tap on the tab button, which will take you into the multi-menu. From here, click on Options. And now alongside Game, click on Controls. And now you will be able to redefine the controls for both Player 1 and Player 2. You can click on Other Input Settings in order to define the dead zone if you are playing through a controller, as well as turn on and turn off vibrations. After clicking on your desired controller, you can choose the control type option and also make various different presets for button types based on your desire. Tap on the Edit Control Mapping option and you will be able to redefine all of the controls within your keyboard. You can click on each one of these parameters and define the key that you want to set it as. You may also change this for your avatar battle as well as overworld control settings. Now you can also enable the keyboard standalone mode if you only wish to play using your keyboard. When you turn this on, all of your buttons will be displayed on your keyboard format. And there you have it. That is how you can change your control settings on the Street Fighter 6 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.